Hi, I wanted to make a video on this product that I use called Mint. It's a shoe cleaner. So it removes dirt and like tough stains from your shoes. So I've used this product for probably 2 years now, and I find it very, very useful. So how to use, you have to take a small dab of this, okay? Put it on the dirt stain, okay? Then after you do that, you take it off, and then you can use this to rub it in, or you can take a hand towel like this. You can also use a toothbrush. That works pretty good as well. So to demonstrate, I'm going to use these shoes right here. So as you can see, there's a bit of dirt and stuff right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake it up a little bit. There you go. Take some of that out. Now I'm going to take this hand towel and I'm just going to wipe it in all over the spot that the dirt was in. Okay. Now, after we're done that, I'm going to leave it to dry. While it's drying, I want to talk more about this. So, you can bring this anywhere, really. If you're going to take it on a plane, you can't keep it in your carry-on because it's over the maximum limit, but you can put this in your luggage and take this for wherever you go. It's very, very useful, and it easily cleans up your shoes and makes them look brand new again. So what it is made out of, so to use, as it says here, it breaks down and removes tough stains including salt, grass, grease, and oil from Nubuck and genuine Suede. That's what it does. So it removes all your dirt and all the stains from your shoes. It's very useful for the shoes I've had, those boots, and it also works for different shoes that are kind of with that material. You can also use it for leather. It works well with that as well, as I've tried in the past. So this is how it comes when you get it. It just comes attached like this with this thing on top. Rub it in, and that's it. It's very sleek. It is very easy to take with you. It is very fast to clean. All you have to do is just put this on, and then you just wait for it to dry, and the dirt is all gone. I use this a lot of time in the winter, as when you're walking through the snow, all like the dirt gets on it, and different like mud and stuff gets on it from the melted snow. And yeah, that's when I find that I use it the most, and it really, really works for me. I've had those shoes for about 5 years, and they still look practically brand new because of this. I seen this when I went to the store to get a new pair of shoes. One of the workers showed me this, and they showed me an example in the store, and I thought it was awesome. The smell is not a very strong smell. It's kind of like just like a light alcohol smell, like cleaning alcohol. So it doesn't stink up the room or anything. It's barely even noticeable. It definitely makes my life way, way easier, as I don't have to get new shoes. I don't have to bring it to someone to clean the shoes. I can just use this myself, and it saves a lot of time and money. So the company that makes it is Mint. They make other different shoe products, cleaning products, and they're a very good brand. I highly recommend. You don't have to keep this in a specific spot. You can just keep it somewhere in your cupboards or with your cleaning material, and it doesn't go bad. It stays as it is, and it still works perfectly. You can definitely give this to someone as a gift, as it could really help them if you know that they have shoes that may be a little more on the expensive side and don't want to get rid of or have to bring to someone to professionally clean it. This does the trick perfectly. So the bottle is made out of plastic all the way through. It's never broken on me or anything. It's always perfect, even if like you drop it or it's in your bag. The top doesn't come off very easily, so it's perfect to bring around. It won't spill, so it's definitely a very good product. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed.